I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Jimin sketch. We'll begin by preparing our art supplies, ensuring we have everything needed for a successful drawing session. Next, we'll carefully study reference images of Jimin, paying close attention to his unique characteristics. This initial observation is crucial for capturing his essence. Then, we'll lay down the foundational shapes, building a strong base for our detailed work. Let's get started on this exciting artistic journey. Understanding Jimin's facial proportions is key to a recognizable sketch. We'll learn to accurately place his eyes, nose, and mouth using simple guidelines. The eyes are typically positioned about halfway down the head, with a consistent space between them. His nose and mouth then fall into place, creating a balanced facial structure. Paying attention to these measurements will significantly improve the likeness in your drawing, making it truly capture his appearance. Now, let's bring our sketch to life by adding intricate details and capturing Jimin's unique expression. We'll carefully refine his eyes, ensuring they convey emotion and depth. Next, we'll sculpt the nose and define the lips, paying close attention to their specific shapes and contours. Finally, we'll work on his hair, suggesting its texture and movement. These steps are vital for creating a dynamic and expressive portrait that truly resembles him. To complete our Jimin sketch, we'll focus on shading and adding those crucial finishing touches. Begin by applying light layers of graphite to establish the basic shadows, gradually building up darker tones. Pay attention to the light source to accurately place highlights and create a three-dimensional effect. Use a blending tool to smooth out transitions, giving the skin a natural appearance. Finally, step back and make any necessary adjustments to perfect your artwork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.